rolled into town on a tired Wednesday. Suitcase squeaks like it wants to get paid. Neon diner sign hums, coffee burns my tongue. Old man at the counter says, "You're late, son." He slides me a file, yellow edges, string tie, black and white headline from some other life. All fire engine, save the squad. And under the ink, my grandfather's stare. Ride that house fire engine through the smoke and the doubt. Bells still ringing in my blood, can't tune it out. If the past keeps calling, I'll be answering slow. One step, two step, where the lost flames glow. On house fire engine, I've gotta go. Station house leaning like it's keeping a secret. Red paint faded, but the chrome's still wicked. Hose line coil like a snake at rest. His name on the ladder just above my chest. I run my hand down the cold steel rail. Smell of old water, ghost of rain, ghost of hell. Ride that house fire engine through the smoke and the doubt. Bells still ringing in my blood, can't tune it out. If the past keeps calling, I'll be answering slow. One step, two step, where the lost flames glow. On house fire engine, I've gotta go. He danced the streets with a siren for a song, spinning fear into courage all night long. Now I'm here and in his footsteps, polished floor, pressed shirt, learning how to lead her through the ashes and the hurt. Ride that house fire engine through the smoke and the doubt. Bells still ringing in my blood, can't tune it out. If the future's burning, let the old wheels roll. One step, two step, till the hard times fold. On house fire engine, I'm taking control.